Hey, are you using Pipedrive CRM to manage your lead and manage your deal close and deal status? And also you run Google Ads, but you send only lead conversion and only lead form submit to Google Ads. Then your ad optimize with the wrong people, and your ad optimizing for the wrong conversion. Okay, but when a lead coming through your website in Pipedrive CRM, then the lead is qualified or lead is converted, then Google Ads don't know. Okay, here's come the offline conversion, and here's come the Google Ads offline conversion. In this video I will show you how we can set up offline conversion tracking for Pipedrive CRM. No automation, no automation tools, and no JP are needed. We will use Webhook and the automation from the Pipedrive that is inbuilt in Pipedrive. Okay, for that, first of all, we have to create a form to capture our lead information from our website. Then as you can see in the lead, under lead there is an web form option, and you have to create a web form. Okay, with some hidden field for the cookie value, that is GCLID, WB rate, and GBRA ID and WBRA ID. Okay, and if I go to one of my site where I embedded the Pipedrive from, let me go to the website. I am going to the exact page from here. Okay, this is the page where I embed the Pipedrive form. Actually this is the form. Okay, let me submit the form with the information as like Sadman Islam, and Sadman Islam @gmail.com, and then the phone number should be 01. Okay, now if I submit the form, then as we can see the information came in the lead inbox. That is the information, that is the lead. Actually if I click over the list, then as you can see in this lead there the submitted information, all of the information is here. The person name and the email and the phone number and others information, others custom field information that we need, that is the GCLID and the FBCLID, also WBRA ID and GBRA ID. Okay, all of the information here. And to collect all of this information in the lead module, you have to create some custom field in the lead. Okay, for that you have to just go to the company settings. From the company setting you can find here the data field, and in the data field you have to create those custom field. Okay, then you have to map those custom field with your hidden field in your form. Okay, that's it. Then this field will collecting the cookie parameter from your website. Okay, then if I go here in the lead section, then if I open this lead, then now I can convert this lead to a deal. And if I now convert this lead to deal, then a deal will be created, and then you can decide this deal is qualified or not, or this deal is on or deal is lost. Okay, and we also we have to send this to Google ads, and we have to feeding those data who is qualified and who is converted customer in your CRM. Okay, but sometime 90% people just send a form submit conversion to Google ads. Okay, and that's not enough to optimize your ad better way. Okay, and to send the deal information data to Google ads. Okay, to send the lead information to deal stage, actually we have to send those data to Google Tag Manager by Webhook. And as you can see, Pipedrive has inbuilt Webhook. If I go here from the tools and apps, then as you can see there's the Webhook, and already I created on automated Webhook, that is the deal, new deal and deal stage or status change to SGTM. Then we send this this is the endpoint URL, and this should be my server container URL. And just I use a path here. Also I have to use this path in my SGTM client. Okay, I'll show you later. Just this is the thing. I use my Google Tag Manager server container URL. And then after creating this webhook, then I have to create two automation. Actually this is the automation I created. This automation will deal create send to SGTM. This automation will work with the webhook. Then when someone when I create a deal or I convert a lead to a new deal, then this webhook this automation and webhook will fire, and when a deal stays change, then this automation will send the data to webhook. Okay, that's it. And to receive those automation and webhook information, we have to set up a client in our Google Tag Manager server container, and this is a custom client that made by me. And if I go to the template section, then in the client template, as you can see, there is the Pipedrive CRM client, and I made this client by custom coding. And now if I have to go to the client section, and by this client section, as you can see, I set up the Pipedrive CRM client. And if I open this client, then as you can see, there is the hook webhook path, that is the Pipedrive update. And as you can see, there also I use a webhook, that's endpoint, and path also the Pipedrive update. Which path you use here, it doesn't matter, but have to use this same path URL, same path URL also your SGTM client. Okay, and this is the webhook event name. Actually, when we send this webhook, this event will came through a event name, and that is the event name I use here, deal stage update. Okay, that's it. And now we want to preview those information in Google Tag Manager server container. When you want to preview your webhook information in Google Tag Manager server container, then you have to set up a power up with a step. That is the power up name is SGTM preview header config. You will find it in the power up section. Then you have to just copy this information GTM server preview header HTTP header. Then just copy this, then just paste it here. And also by path means if you want to preview a specific path information, then you have to put here the path. But if you remain this blank, then it will show you all of this path webhook information. Okay, but no need this in this time. Just then you have to save change, have to click over the save change, then it will be running within 1 to 2 minutes. Now if I go to the lead information again, and this is the lead. And now I will mark this convert this lead to deal. Then let's click over it. Okay, then let's save that. And this is the pipeline stage is new deal. I want to mark this as a new deal, no worry. And also you can mark this as to project delivery pipeline, that is the deal own. And you can mark it as a sales pipeline. There is a new deal contacts are made, and qualified, and the meeting complete, and the negotiation start, and the stage is contract signed. Okay, I want to make this as a new deal. Then I am going to save it, and you can see this all of the information is captured here. But why not GCLID? Let me show you. GCLID is important for the Google Ads conversion, offline conversion tracking. Then let me open this lead. Okay, with this lead, there is all of the user information is here: GCLID, WBRAID, and GBRAID. Then let's convert this deal to as a new deal. Okay, then let's save it. Okay, now when I save this lead to deal, then as you can see, there is an event fire, that is deal stage update. And if I go to the variable section, then event data section, then as you can see, there is all of the information here that we need: currency, and the deal ID, and the deal stage, and the email address, event name, and the FBCLID, and the GBRAID, and GCLID, last name, a phone number, and the value also the WBRAID. Okay, and this conversion time actually is the UniIX format, but I convert this conversion time for the Google Ads format with a variable. If I go here, then as you can see, I create a custom made variable in my Google Tag Manager server container. The variable name is Google Ads conversion time format to UTC, and the variable type is Google Ads conversion time formatter. And as you can see, this is the time I convert. Actually, from this conversion time, there is a time for conversion. Okay, this is the Unix conversion time. I convert this Unix conversion time to a UTC format conversion time, that's prefer for Google Ads, and it's prefer for Facebook. If you want to send the offline conversion tracking to Facebook, then you can send this conversion time, but if you want to send Google Ads conversion offline conversion tracking, then you can send this time. Okay, actually it will be current time, because when we send a lead form, then if you send the lead form data to for the qualified stage, it's not will properly attribute your Google Ads conversion tracking, because when a lead coming in your CRM, maybe the lead will be qualified after 2 days, then you have to send the current time to Google Ads. Okay, that's the thing. And now if I go to my CRM again, and if I go to the deal section again, then as you can see, this is the new deal that just I get from my lead status. Then if I open this deal, and if after opening this deal, there I can see all of the information is here, details, and the GCLID, FBCLID, all of the cookie parameter is here. Now if I made this if I give here a value, as example, if I give here a value for this deal, as example, then value is 800, and it's a save, and the currency, if I mark this currency to USD, this is the USD currency. Okay, then if I convert this deal to own deal own, as example, let me let me mark this deal to a qualified deal. Okay, then if I go to the deal section again, then let's drag and drop this deal to qualified stage. Okay, then as you can see, there will be a new event will be fired, and as you can see, there is the new event fired with the event data deal stage qualified. Okay, then now you can create the trigger for the qualified stage with a condition that is deal stage equal to qualified. Okay, that's it. Okay, then if I go here, if I go to my CRM again, then if I open this qualified deal, now I can mark this deal to own deal own. For that I have to open this. Then from the project delivery pipeline, I can mark this pipeline stage to deal own. Now if I save this, okay, then if I save this, then as we will see, there are a new event, that is the deal stage is deal on. Now we can create the trigger easily. As example, now we can create the trigger for our Google Ads offline conversion tracking. Okay, then if I go here in the tag section, then we can configure this Google Ads conversion tracking with the conversion action ID and the customer ID and others information, and the operator customer ID, and the conversion information is web, and the consent data, and the GBR ID. We can replace the GBR ID here, also the GCLID, and the card data. In the card data, we can put here the value and the currency, and for the user data we can send the email and phone number. Also there is an option maybe for the conversion time. This is the conversion date time. We can put here this information that we get in the variable section. This is the UTC time. Okay, and as you can see, this is the current time. Actually catch here, as you can see, this is the current time when it's a UTC current time. Okay, that's the thing. And now we can send the offline conversion to Google Ads easily, and it will be give you the better attribution, and it will give you the better audience and the better delivery from the Google Ads. Okay, because now Google know who is your paying customer and who is your converted customer. That's it. Hope you are doing well. And if you want to set up this similar if you want to set up this offline conversion tracking like this way what I show you now, you can contact with me. Okay, I will drop my WhatsApp number and the one-to-one session link in description. Have a good day.